Let's start to edit our new website using the Elementor page builder. To start, click Edit with Elementor. Every page is structured into one or multiple containers. We have the first container right here at the top, and when we scroll down, we can see all of the other containers of this page. To add a new container, we can just click on the plus icon, and then move it to any position on the page. To remove any container, simply click on the X. Inside, these containers have the elements that make up the content of the page. Let's look at how to edit these elements. To edit that text, just select any text element on your page, and then simply change that text. When we go to Style and click Edit Typography, we can edit the style of this text element. And it works the same way for our buttons. We just click on the button that we want to edit, and then make changes here on the left side. To change an image, simply click on the image, then select Choose Image, and upload our new image here. In the Style tab on the left side, we can make changes to the position and alignment of our image. To make changes to the other pages on our website, we can simply come up here and navigate to another page. And here, we can edit elements in the exact same way.